my name is Amy and I'm here with a really exciting beverage. It is Coco Sky liqueur. I'm really excited about this because it is an all-natural, no preservatives, gluten-free, and low-calorie drink. It's made with gin, sweet cream, and all-natural coconut water. I'm here at the beach celebrating its tropicalness. It's like a little vacation in a bottle. I'm going to be sharing 6 easy recipes to make with Coco Sky liqueur. All the ingredients are very similar because I'm trying to save my money. Disclaimer, I'm no bartender. I'm just a girl who loves tropical drinks, so I might do stuff wrong, but we're here for a good time. Let's get it. So the first drink that we're making is a spiked vanilla COCO-Café. Of course, we're using our Coco Sky liqueur. We're going to be using our Dunkin', of course, cold brew coffee. I thought it was the most appropriate to buy coconut whipped cream. And then we have our vanilla vodka. Today we are using 3 olives. Let's get started. We're gonna start by doing 2 ounces of our coconut sky liqueur. And then we're going to do 2 ounces of our 3 olives vanilla vodka. We're gonna fill the rest up, I say about 6 ounces, but fill the rest of the cup up with our Dunkin' iced coffee. We're gonna top it off with our coconut Ready Whip. We're gonna drop some chocolatey toasted coconut chips for the extra special flair. And cheers. So our next drink of choice is a coconut key lime Pie-tini, term coined by yours truly. So for our ingredients, of course, you guessed it, we have our Coco Sky liqueur. We, again, repurposing are using our 3 olives vanilla vodka. We are going to be using lime juice, that is our main character in this recipe. And then we're going to be using just a dash of pineapple juice to kind of even everything out. So let's get started. We are gonna start with 2 ounces of our lime juice, and I am gonna measure this one out just because this one might be a little tricky. 2, and then we're going to do 2 ounces of our 3 olives vanilla. We're going to do 3 ounces of our Coco Sky liqueur, literally just guessing. And then last, but probably also least, is our pineapple juice. We're just gonna do a little splash, like I said, to just get everything evened out. And then we're gonna topple her off. Then I think you just take this off, right? And then to garnish it off, we are going to use a lime slice. We are just going to do a splash of our coconut flakes. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a coconut key lime Pie-tini. Cheers. Our next drink is a Pinot Colada, and it's basically just a pina colada, but without the blender because we're here at the beach. So what this one calls for is our Coco Sky, pineapple juice, and our vanilla vodka, and some pineapples to garnish. We're gonna start with 4 ounces of our pineapple juice. And now we're gonna use our 6 ounces of Coco Sky liqueur. We are gonna get our 3 ounces of vodka, and then we mix it all together. Wow, look at that color though. Right, and then we're not gonna overfill it this time. But what we are gonna do is we're gonna add just a little bit of our coconut Ready Whip for a garnish. And last but most definitely not least, we will add our pineapple garnish in there. This is our PINA LADA. Cheers. Our next cocktail is a peanut butter and cocoa cup cocktail. What you need for this is Screwball whiskey and Coco Sky liqueur and a Reese's peanut butter cup if you're feeling frisky for a garnish. We are gonna start off by doing 4 ounces of the Screwball whiskey, and then I'm going to fill the rest up with our coconut Coco Sky liqueur. We're gonna grab our spoon and grab our peanut butter cup, and we're just gonna set it on there. You know, that's what you get at the beach. Cheers. Our next drink is a Blue Sky Martini. So that is going to endure the Coco Sky liqueur, some blue curacao, and some vanilla vodka. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of our vodka. Then we are going to do 2 ounces of our blue curacao. And then we're gonna do 4 ounces of our Coco Sky. And we're going to mix it all up. Voila, a Blue Sky Martini. Cheers. Our next and final drink is going to be a strawberry short cocoa cake, like a strawberry shortcake, but coconut. So for this one, we're gonna need our Coco Sky. We're going to need some strawberry puree and some vanilla vodka. So for this one, it's pretty easy. We're just gonna do 3 ounces of all of them. So we're gonna start by doing 3 ounces of our strawberry puree. Then we are going to do our 3 ounces of vanilla vodka, 3 ounces of the all-knowing Coco Sky. That looks delicious. You guessed it. We're gonna shake it all up. Wow, look at that color. We will conclude with our coconut milk whipped cream. And last but not least, we're gonna put our garnishes on there, our dried toasted coconuts. And you have yourself a strawberry short cocoa cake. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed these easy 6 recipes using Coco Sky liqueur. Again, it's bottled distilled in Florida, and it is all natural, no preservatives, gluten-free, and low calorie. I really enjoyed it, and I had a lot of fun today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you tried the recipes, and if you didn't, let me know what you think that I should try next. Until next time.